Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth puzzle in the additional, not in today's newspaper. No, today's actually Sunday, March the 12th. No, it's the yesterday's newspaper. Yesterday's newspaper is Saturday, March the 11th 2023, and I've already solved 3 puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, the 4-star Sudoku, and the binary. So it's time now for the Tectonic with 4 stars. Yeah, is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, but this will be number 6104. Before start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 15, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit for 4 stars puzzle. Is this really 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here in this puzzle the single box or boxes? I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Next question, do we have here duo boxes in this puzzle? Duo boxes. Let me scan. No duo boxes. Quadra boxes then. Let me check. Quadra boxes also. No quadra. No. Triple boxes. Made a mistake. No duo boxes. So next question, do we have triple boxes? Let me. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, no triple boxes, but now, next question, do we have quadra boxes? Well, I see here a quadra box contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. Here also a quadra box. There a quadra box. 3 quadra boxes. But when you see a quadra box in an L shape, this is an L shape, remember that the inside box, this box, the inside box is always a 5. And the other numbers 1, 2, 3, and a 4 could be everywhere, so I cannot fill this yet. Here also a quadra box in an L shape. The inside box, this box, the inside box is always a 5. Here we have a quadra box. The 1, the 2, and the 4 is already filled in. So the 1 box left for the number 3. Alright. My next strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. We have here the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. Yeah, so that box has the same number as this box. Alright. T-shape, do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only one in this puzzle. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. No, only one shape. Next shape. How about this shape? When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, then the following shape. The last shape, I believe. The L shape. The L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. We have more L shapes here, rotated upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Maximum 6. I believe the Z or the S construction is not in this puzzle. 5 shapes, maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. Alright. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Can be a 4. So one digit left should be the 5. Alright. Then. Let me see. 2. Come on. These two boxes can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 5. Those two boxes can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this area should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. That box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this W area shape should be there. Alright. Okay. These 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 5 because we have a double 5 there. If I place a 5 here or there, I can fill any 5 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be 5, but also that box can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Suppose I place the 5 there. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 here in this area. So it's not a solution to place the 5 there. So these 3 boxes can be 5. That box can be a 5. So one box left for the 5 in this L shape area should be there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. Alright. Okay. Then. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, Well. These two boxes can be 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Well, suppose I place the 3 there. Then this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. But we already have a 3 here in this area. So it's not a solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. Alright. Okay. This box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 4 there. Suppose I place the 4 here. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. But we already have a 4 there. So it's not the solution to place the 4 there. The 4 supposed to be here. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Missing 1 and the 2 here. Also 1 and the 2, the pair. So this box should be also 1 or a 2. Okay. Alright. Then. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I can fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So these two boxes can be a 4. But also those two boxes can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this area should be there. Well, these two boxes can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So one box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. These two boxes can be a 4. Those two boxes can be 4. So one box left for the 4 in this W area shape should be here. These two boxes can be a 4. So the 4 in this area could be here, could be there. Yeah. Let me think. Well. Come on. This box can be 5. This box can be 1. So the 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes appear. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. So 1 digit left in this area for number 2. This box can be 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1. That's a pair. 1 and 2. So 1 digit left in this area for number 4. And this box is connected with that box. So 1 or a 2. Alright, 1 and a 2. That means that those two boxes can be 1 or a 2. We have a double 1 here and a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Of course, it's connected with each other, so it should be also a 2. So 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 3. 4 and the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes here. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 goes together with the 5 as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left, a 3 and a 1. Let me mark those 3 and a 1. And this box is connected with that box, so it's a 3 and a 1. Alright, this box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that those two boxes can be a 1. If I place a 1 here or there, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and the 4 in this L-shaped area. 3 and a 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 3 goes there. I mark this box with 3 and a 1. We have a 1 now, so no 1 there. This box should be a 3, and it's connected with that box. Should be also a 3. So 1 box left in this area for number 1. Alright, 1 and a 2. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, so we also a 2. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Alright, I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. I think this box should be 3, because it can be a 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 1, because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 1, and it's connected with that box. Should be also a 1. This box can be a 2, and this box can be a 4. So the 2 and a 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, let me mark those. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box, so 2 or a 4. These two boxes can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 4 here. That means that this box cannot be a 4. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be definitely a 2. Is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 1 digit left in this area for number 4. Now we have a 2. No. Wait. Here I need to think. Yeah. This box can be 1. This box can be 3. So 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this W area shape for the number 2. This box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1. In this quadra box should be there, so 1 digit left in this quadra box for number 2. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, yeah, we have a 4 here. So the other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 3. Let me mark those, 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Let me think. I think this box should be 2. Because can be 1, should be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be 3. Of course, we have a 3 there. Okay. These 2 boxes. Oh, wait. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 there. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box should be also a 4. 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 3. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box can be a 4. That box can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this quadra box should be there. 2 numbers left in this quadra box for numbers 2 and the 3. We have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. And the final number in this area for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. Finished in 17 minutes. Well, 17 minutes. Well. 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. And I'm pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later with the Samurai Sudoku. Yes, the last puzzle of this weekend. The weekend is almost past. Tomorrow it's Monday, working a week. Alright, have a great and fantastic Sunday. And we will meet later on with the Samurai Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.